Plan B. Pick pocket knife.
Dry ice will explode.
Swelling.
Yeah, it's getting.
Oh, there it goes. 3.
Hey, I heard something.
It's not gonna explode really.
Yes, it will.
It won't just shoot the top out.
Yes, make a sound. It might very well do. It'll say, like I said, it'll take the path of least resistance. There's a leak in it.
You wanna go touch it?
I will get it. Hold on.
She's gonna put tape on it.
No.
Oh.
Getting bigger.
You going to go check on it?
Come on, Dick. Come on, dude. Blow up. Blow up already.
First
Man, I'm so tired of recording.
you're gonna poke it, ain't you? It's like one of those smoke bomb grenades.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.